mushroom is very good for health. Okay, as you know. So the in the world, shiitake mushroom is consumed #1. Okay, thereafter button mushroom comes, right? So we will be the pioneer to cultivate shiitake mushroom in India. Okay, Shillong. Because the aim of this project is to increase farmers' income. Okay, once the farmers are familiar to cultivate shiitake mushroom, their income will be double. Okay, that is the aim. As I told you, the standard of living will be improved by cultivating shiitake mushroom. Okay, it's a high quality shiitake mushroom based on the Japanese technology.
Kini ki Yachts Corporation Japan ki bangi atek lok hakaban pen krau lene banang yaitrei hakani ka kam shitaki hakani ka sien ka baar ka bakiwan menta ka baningkong kalong bakiwan ban pej ya kata ka demonstration ka bangi ngila trei hang ni namar ngalayo jing hikai hang tai shibnai ha Japan bat ngala trei kani ka kam ngala pen i kila komen ha menen ka sngi menta ka sngi u first katri jong ka ambassador ona Japan u watanabe ula pej ula komen ha ya ka progress ka bangi ngila le eksperimen dai na kata kadaw ki kwa banwan pej la kalong kumnu kata kadai ka bandingkong ka baar ka jingwan ka jongki kalong ban penbet ya kani ka timeline kaladon ka timeline ka por bangi di ban pendep ya ka project ki machine di ban poi hau tau benai ki di ban dep kumta ka training di ban long kumta ter kadon na ka rukom bar khoi namar ba ka kata ka jingkhang la jong ka covid na kata ka daw ngim simla ban pentrei kam su ya kata na kata ka daw ki wan ban penbet yang ya kata ka timeline ngilai dep an syong menen ka sngi janmit ka office ka jonga ngilai dep ban penbet la syai ka sngi ngini penbet ya kani ka timeline bat ka government kani ka dei ka baar ka balai ki kwa ban penken mau biang ya ka kamram ka Hill Farmers Union ka dei ban pendep banwan ra ya kini ki dieng ki bangiong kita ki chips kenang bakan thung haka ka Hill Farmers Union kalale la ka jong ka kamram ban lek ban propagate ya kini ki jing thung jong kini ki dieng kenang bangin yo ya ki raw materials kenang bangin yo ban sena ya kita ki blok bat nang ta susu ka benta ka basau ka bakiwan kalong ban penken mau ya ka state government bangadang dan kam ban lek biang sa Japan namar ba men hakani nga habonan phai no siteng ngampat simyo training kumnu ban penmi sembai tiet kemo ban penmi sembai jong utit shitaki nga haban lek biang ki kwa banwan penken mau state government ladang ila lek biang ila snutu ban ngi ka rukom ngangek ba kum utu shitaki Japan ka bangi ngila yo ban ban le haka center ke jongi kum bangi le nga shule kum banga china yo ushi ya oyster yo botan nga kwa ban i khama susu haka no ka rukom ki le ki medium ki media kum ta ter deina kata ka daw ka basau ki wan ban penken mau bat ka banta ka basan kalong ban pen step kenang baki machine ngina ban order no sa Japan kini ban wai na marki machine sisen naduk ka sngi ka bangi order na Japan haduk ban poi haduk shillong bar khot kan simpor ndru benai ha bangi phai pet na kaliang jong nong rap ha kani ka center ka jonga ngin penmi yaw ni u wolong ku mau blok ngin sinalut mangina dong sedong ngin in covid na hadin dula dong ni mau blok ngin ai ki nong rap ko masis pa san pautli unong rap udon kam ka jaka tangkumba san mitar lai mitar hakini ka jaka san mitar lai mitar unthung kumasis pa san phau hadu ars pa teli bat ka jingmi jong u nang ni ka ka jingyo jong u kan kot sedu ka nyopo hajar hadu silak sisnem na kata ka jaka ka ba uthung nyu shitaki dei na kata ka rukom mangiru kum ka department kum ka center hangni ni kwa ban pensilori ki briu jongi namar ka jaka ka dei ka ba khniat ka ba rep ninget scam ba ki para nong rap ki jongi ki dan bun ki jaka kin padan kam ha tangkawei hakani ka pon ha ko ban kentu ki nong rap ki jongi papin trei sitom namar hakarep pihak ban eksperimen pihak ban le hi pihak ban wat lari pisiam kenu ka jing pisiam kenu ka jing sitom ka jing trei ke jong pi ka office ke jongi ka dan hangni ha oper shillong pila ban rung ka dei ka office ke jong pi ban pet yaka ban pet yo nangta sim ki phone number hakini ka percaya menta ngidon ki email pila ban ai kenu ke jubab ngin sapersyang ban guide pat ban yarap ya pi na kapor sya kapor.
We were told that the farmers here are very poor. So we said we have to do something so that the farmers here feel happy, they feel energetic, and we give them something that they become healthy. So that was one reason. Second reason was the climatic conditions of Meghalaya. are the best suited to grow shiitake in India. If shiitake can be grown in India, it is Shillong, right? So these are the two compelling reasons that we came to Shillong, and also the third reason is the positive attitude of the administration here.
Yeah.
All I had to do was to tell them that we can do it for you, and then they were the ones who were telling us to come and do it. So this, I think, were the key that you see us standing here amongst you to grow shiitake in Meghalaya. We started our engagement here in the month of April 2019, right? April 2019 we came, we worked on the MOU, and the things moved so fast that on the 30th of May, we signed the MOU with the Hill Farmer Association, with YATS and the government, right? After that, we came here, we visited, we saw the place, we worked out the plan, we did everything. We also attended the Sial, where we got the mushrooms, we gave a taste of mushrooms to the people here. Unfortunately, after that, things became slow because of COVID.
Yeah.
There was no international travel, we could not come and meet, we could not construct the building. So there was this gap of about two years and 3 months that was there. Now, no sooner the restrictions have been lifted, we are here again with you
Yeah.
to give a push to the project. And let me assure you, by April 2023, we will ensure that the farmers are producing shiitake and at a commercial scale.